Welcome food lovers to your very own Shohini's kitchen. Today I am here with a tasty veg starter recipe, the veg lollipops. So let's take a look at the recipe. The vegetable filling is ready. Now we will make the lollipops. Now the consistency of the batter should neither be too thick nor too thin. Dip the lollipops in the batter and coat them with breadcrumbs. The lollipops are now ready to be fried. Fry them on high flame until they turn golden brown in color. The veg lollipops are fried and ready to be coated with the delicious lollipop sauce. Let's see how to make the lollipop sauce. Mix 2 tablespoons of corn flour with 4 tablespoons of cold water. Then add the mixture to the sauce and let it boil for a few more seconds. This will give a thick consistency to the sauce as required. The sauce is now ready. Coat the veg lollipops with the delicious lollipop sauce and serve them hot. If you try making these at home, do let me know how they turn out. Please use the comment section if you have any question for this recipe or you want to share a feedback or a suggestion for a future recipe. Thank you for watching. See you next week then with another exciting recipe. Till Till then, enjoy the veg lollipops with your family and friends.